ọzọ ekene kwa ama ọnụ. Enwere ihe nwanne anyị nwoke kwuru na this video that pique interest in him. On no justifiable claim. Onwero ihe claim that can justify crime. Ihe ọbụla mmadụ mee. There is no ways about it. There is no ways about it. A lot of us that are here today, we are here by the mercy of God. Not because now you have an opportunity to be in a place and you say, okay, with 1,000, so now here with 500, and you will go 500 that split into two, and you go to 300, is it 200? We have been in that situation, we have scaled through, and God is helping us. And for us, the reason whereby mother and our boy in a bungba without your consent. Let me tell you one of the honest truth in Amaro. And we're only asking na mother not today. We met to be regonya haka. Had the 10, one person. Also, one person can be able to. Because the temptation is high. Problem the too much. Or na mother no my problem. And on with him mother. For that couple of years, I know back or guy for. I know the two shirt ojesi ke gotele mumba eyigide mia to that shirt bakasecha ngachasịa n'azụ ịma na nwoke isi yigide shirt azụ ya duchu na anwụ na-acha gị magu na agaghalị asụ eme anwụ ya chaka azụ ya niile n'eze anya azụ okporo ụgbọ azụ ya niile achanwụchago. But we still thank God for everything, for every mother not today. So because there are some things, if I mention all those things, what is the essence of your Christianity? What is the essence of your true life and your Zoe life that you are trying to practice? Yes, I'm not the hard. And there is no justification to crime and evil. We are all there. We are all here by the grace of God. Somebody will say, I am standing here only because you made the way. Ego madogolago. So because I'm kikulu down. When they share this video forward wire to anybody. Emma. Call the one.
Biko. Keo di chunu ne belo. Nwa boy anaga na warehouse ogea. Ebulungwa afi ebunye mmadi debit. MSC okwa ogo. Without the information or approval of the master. But when you for the guy one name or now, you a Christian, yes. And as you drink it on your tone, where mana madige wako, where uche. Keka madige sinaloge go in where a problem, yakute mado. Yak belege beleni in where a problem, or yasurun yelagaga. Who demand they want money from you, go where yelagaga. Or what get with it. Ke wezoyi o agwago fi ihe na eme ekuzie ụgwọ ọrụ na ekwulu ụgwọ the approval of izaga ekpere amade mana ekwu ụgwọ enwe approval izaga ekpere njụa onye anaghị ega or instruction from God on ekpele. Second, onye na-agwa gị in the name of Jesus, in the name of God kpọrọ gị eje na mmiri ka ọ galụwalụ gị ọlụ. On a gay galolo in the name of God. On a gay lugolo the case and why. And I'm a mother. Please. It's almost that you must be a prophetess, a prophet, a pastor, a reverend, a father. And with different religion that you can easily belong. Well, after that religion you belong to ne zuri or izu because he be a way go. So there is difference between men that is available for God to use them so that they can win soul for God, not for themselves, and men that come into ministry just to acquire wealth, accumulate wealth. No matter who don't know they are ready to do it. Keki gesi wurung machukwemel baptism, madagwa hokotogo, ke well golo, we bele go well them. The approval against na aka onye bịa ka onye ahụ na-eme ọ chukwu abi n'enigwe signi anyere gị n'efu gị nyekwa n'efu na nega Because I'm now, this is my 25 years in the vineyard of the Lord. I'm interested in soul winning. Mama, in my weaknesses, I'm interested in soul winning. In my strength, I'm interested in soul winning. You understand me? Mfuna onya ade meta ofuma na mmele steni kenke chuku meta ofuma all my joy. All of that money did there. And from when you are doing what is right, Odona, people will not follow you by force. The mother Amabiani came and on Abani men the mother. The testimony they looted, they undergroundly walking, and the love they genuine. At a stage, we don't grow. If una a hunter by will be better off than all these people. Ne bunde mother waya na laheg. Omogi he iwe Christian ne zunde mother. Na naponde mother ego ki well all onye ke na alolo. And they got the first two. You're just like a doctor that don't know your work, that can easily diagnose somebody something that is not his or her problem in order to extract money from the person. Christian, ask yourself a question. You are working for yourself. You are not working for God. Just like onye jealous ata dibia, no ina dibia. Ebunobia woka opate ego do na oge esi bate ya odo na oge esi chote ya ike gwurum mana genwa we Christian ana na ego wele ebele ndo mmadụ adaze ekpele mmadụ just we mediator, an intercessor that will intercede, and he will not be silent. He will join the person to pray for God to approve it. You can appreciate a person that assists you, fine and good. You can't do that. This 300 family in the feed now, they voluntarily support one max civilly in happiness, in joy, and we are doing it and we are moving. Okay, yes, ego we are not going to go. Keme surgery eze mmadụ kpọọ m all the way from London. Nye m ego onye ahụ ga-eji mee business. Gwa m na ya ga-akwụ ụgwọ n'ọgwụ. Genuine love. Ngwa the woman about it. Ha nọ n'ụlọ ọgwụ as I'm talking to you now. Why can't you be real? Forget about Ochasibute, Ocharosibute. One day, God will just plant so fonye chuku plant enandoge can take you to anywhere. Can take you so far. Mani yo una ezutere n'ori. Ewetere na Ochasibute, Ocharosibute. Nwobere goko igo kunisi. I can hit my chest to say this is my 25 years. Nwebele onye nnala kobo we ebele. Kama mtinye nkem. And uri mere na mada eme ofum. And uri mere na ndị mmadụ adịghị egosi m ịhụnanya. Although he talents, but he must surely come to pass. Ka anyị na-eme for complete 23 years. People nwere ike na-ataga ofe na-atụfu. Mana mma sị gị na 2 years of this my 25 years are from the grace all over. Amarom na chukusi etu wele eme ihe. Don't be deceived. Nobody is God. And nobody will do it for you except God approves. Maka ndị na-anaghị ego elolo golo na ibelge ebele imegi nke my family deliverance ego. Hey, iwu father, iwu pastor, iwu prophet, iwu prophetess. Nemo diha. Man, you are not working for Christ. You are working for your family and your stomach. Ako kwe kusara ngoi.